tell you, a lot of traditions in this town. That is one of the very best.
It's always neat to see the kids' faces when they're putting all the toys in the trucks. Yeah,
that's
exactly
great. Hey, it was a nice day, too.
It ended up being this afternoon very mild. Temperatures a little on the cool side, but it was very pretty. It started out on a different note this morning, of course, with temperatures below freezing across much of the area. But this evening, we're in for temperatures slowly falling. Right now, we're in the 50s. Here's a live look at our 360 tower camera. Sunset about an hour ago or so, and the sky really pretty this sunset today, just because of some upper level cloud cover we're seeing working its way into central Texas now. As we go through the rest of your evening, here's what you can expect. Mostly clear to partly clear skies through 8 p.m. down to about 48 degrees, and we'll hit the mid 40s by 10 p.m. tonight. Right now, we are in the low to mid 50s out there. 51 in Burnett, 55 still in Llano. It's 52 in San Marcos and 55 degrees currently in Giddings. Right now in town, mostly clear skies at 54 degrees. A little cooler out at the airport, 48 there. But look at our dew points, still in the teens. That is very dry air in place. So there's been an elevated risk for some fire weather here in central Texas today. Tomorrow, however, we're going to start to see these dew points climb just a little bit as our southerly flow brings up more moisture from the Gulf. Our winds right now very light out of the south, still 3 to 5 miles an hour, and they'll stay light overnight tonight for the most part. Across the state, we're starting to see, as you notice, this cloud cover working its way in from the west. This will continue through the overnight hours, and we'll actually see even a little bit more as we go through the day tomorrow. So you can expect partly cloudy skies. It's all ahead of our next system that's making its way onto the coast right now. This area of low pressure, this trough of low pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere is going to move in and make some changes for the start of the work week. Here we go. In the upper levels of the atmosphere, there's that trough of low pressure. By Monday, it's going to push a cold front through central Texas. It's more Pacific front, so we'll still have some cooler air behind it, but not quite as cold as that last front that we saw move through. It's a very large area of low pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere, though. So that front's going to move through late Monday. By Tuesday and into the end of the week, we'll start to see about a ridge of high pressure build right back over central Texas. So our skies will clear, temperatures warm gradually each day, and we'll also see plenty of sunshine out there. If we go hour by hour through our forecast, here's what we can expect tonight. Increasing clouds through the overnight hour. Partly sunny skies for much of the day on your Sunday. Temperatures a little bit warmer ahead of this front than what we even saw today. And then that cold front moves a little bit closer. So early Monday morning, a small chance for some streamer showers, very light drizzle, very light shower activity ahead of this front. Mostly cloudy skies. A 30% chance for rain through the afternoon hours as that front swings through. And then by late in the evening, it's going to be to our east. And we'll start to see this cooler air work its way in from the north. It'll also be drier. So skies clearing overnight on Monday, and temperatures will fall a little bit cooler than what we're going to see over the next 2 nights. Tonight, it's going to be chilly again in the hill country. Most areas in the mid 30s, but those low-lying areas, the very rural areas, could hit 32 degrees again tonight. Areas in the metro area will be the mid to upper 30s and the mid to upper 30s along our eastern counties as well. For tomorrow, a little bit warmer than today, mid to upper 60s out there. Tonight in Austin, 39 degrees. We'll start to see that cloud cover, of course, increasing light southeasterly winds. Tomorrow, a little on the breezy side, 10 to 15 mile-an-hour winds, 68 for your afternoon high. And your 7-day forecast shows temperatures Monday morning very mild because of our cloud cover. Chance for a few showers as well, 73 in the afternoon. And then temperatures fall quickly after that front moves through. We'll drop down to 40 early Tuesday morning, and another freeze very likely Wednesday morning before we start to see our temperatures warm up through the end of next week.